Studio Tropilite presents Flexi Gold by Tropolite, smart cream for every kitchen. Cream brings richness, but also curdles, splits and over-thickens. Meet Flexi Gold, lactose-free, cholesterol-free, Tropilite's cooking cream that does it all better. Here's what you'll need for creamy white sauce pasta. In a pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add your choice of vegetables, mixed or single, and saute for a minute. Add a 1/4 cup of Flexi cream, shelf stable for 9 months unopened, 5 days in the fridge after opening. No hardening, no thickening. Add a 1/4 cup grated Parmesan or processed cheese and stir until melted. Add 200 grams of pasta, season with salt and black pepper, and serve hot. Flexi Gold works for everyone, from hotels and caterers to cafes and home chefs. No curdling, no compromise. You can even use it in dal makhani, shahi paneer and other rich gravies for that perfect texture and shine. Contact your Tropolite distributor today.